Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the world of maths by Amiya. In this learning concept video, we try to learn the concept behind the candle problem and we'll check the shortcut under condition. We have T1 is nothing but 5 hours, T2 is nothing but 6 hours. So we take length as the product of these two. That means say the 30 kilometer or meter or centimeters are length. Here the length is again the same, so the length is 30. So our rate of burning is 6 per hour. For here, the rate of burning is 5 per hour. Why? The length is 30, it takes 6 hours to burn. So the length of burning is 5 centimeter or meter per hour. Assume again the time is t. So in t hours, it would burn 60. Why so? Because in 1 hour 6 centimeter or meter, then in t hour it should be 60. Again in this time t, the burning would be 5t. What is the length left? That is length minus burning left. Assume that 30 centimeter is the total length. Burnt length was 60. So the length left is 30 minus 60. And here the burn length is what? 30 minus 5t. Again by this, we have 1/4 of that of the second candle. So this goes with 1/4. And we solve this equation, we'll get the answer. Here we have considered length is nothing but the product of time. That is 30 and 30. And we find the rate of burning, that is nothing but the speed. For both the cases, we write an equation. In time t, the burning would be 60. Here the burning is the 5t. Length left is total length minus burning length, 30 minus 5t. And here 1/4 of the second candle. So 1/4 goes with the second candle. And we solve and get the answer. But again I am saying don't use this one if we have condition. What are the condition? Of the same length is our first condition. Burn together is our second condition. And we should know what left. So I'm going to use the shortcut for this question. The concept is the same. We can consider L is L, or we can take L is nothing but the product of time. Now I'm going to give you shortcut. Our question is the same. The first condition is of the same length. They should burn together. And we have value. Say this fraction is nothing but a by b. A by b is 1/4. So we should know three things. Same length, burn together, and we have a fraction left. If we do not have any one of the three, we cannot use the shortcut. For the shortcut, we need conditions. Here the conditions are same length, burn together, and we have a by b, the fraction value. So the shortcut is what? Required time is nothing but T1 into T2. T1 and T2 is the time into A minus B under mod, bigger minus smaller, upon A into T2 minus B into T1, and this is our shortcut with one condition. Again I am repeating what is the shortcut. T1 into T2 into difference of the fraction upon A into T2 minus B into T1 with the condition. And the condition is for the denominator I am saying check according to question. Check according to question. This is our condition. I am solving and we are considering what is the question is all about. So what is the required time here? T1 and T2, that is 5 hours and 6 hours. That is 5 into 6. Into what is the difference between A by B is nothing but 3. 4 minus 1 upon. Now what is the condition? And according to question, we have 1/4 of the second one. Denominator always follow of sign. Here of the second one. So of the second one is means denominator, that is 4, goes with second one. And what is the time of the second one? Is 6. So this is nothing but 4 into 6, and the numerator goes with first one. 1 into 5 and minus. I am again repeating my condition. You have 1/4 and of is always go denominator. So 4 goes with second one time and 1 goes with first one time. I hope it is clear. That is nothing but 90 upon 19. And this is our answer, and in hours, because everything is in the hours. I hope this is clear to you. Even if you have any problem in this, I would say pause the video, revise the video and check it again. Or better is, let's do more questions on this. Question is the same. We have same length burned together. What do we have? We have T1 is 4 hours. We have T2 is 5 hours. What is the fraction is A by B is nothing but 2 by 3 and off is of the second one. So 3 goes with here and 2 goes with T1. Of the second one. Of is the denominator. 3 goes with second one. 2 goes with first one. So our required time, RT is the required time is nothing but the product of T1 and T2 into difference of A and B is 1 and 3 into 5 minus 2 into 4. That is nothing but 20 upon 15 minus 8 is 20 by 7 hours is the required time in which the first candle would be 2/3 of the second candle. I hope now this one is clear. That is T1 4, T2 5, 2 and third off is of the second candle. So denominator goes with the second candle, numerator goes with first candle. Now for the better understanding, let's practice few more questions. Again same length. I'm again repeating the same length burned together, then only we can use the shortcut. Otherwise we need to follow the concept, make equation and get the answer. What is the T1? T1 is 8. What is the T2? T2 is 5. What is the 1/3 of the first candle? Off is the first candle. That means this one is 3. Third or the 3 goes with the first candle. Off goes with the denominator. Third is of the first candle, that is 3. 1 goes with second one. Off goes with denominator. Here 1/3 is the first candle. So 3 is for the T1. And what is the required time? Is again 8 into 5, T1 into T2 and gap of these fraction is nothing but 2 upon 3 into 8 minus 5 into 1. That is nothing but 80 divided by 24 minus 5 is 80 by 19. And this is in the hours. I hope this is clear to you. Now solve again a question. Now solve another question. We have T1 is 5, T2 is 8, 20% more than means 120 by 100. That is nothing but 6 by 5 and then is of the first candle. So 5 goes with the first candle and 6 goes with the second candle. And our required time is nothing but T1 into T2 into 1 divided by, that is the product is 48, bigger minus smaller minus 25. So it's nothing but 14 upon 23 hours and this is our answer. Okay. Now solve our final question. The question is Ram and Shyam each has one candles of the same length but of different thickness. Ram's candle takes 3 hours to burn. We have T1 is 3 hours, or say the Ram is of the 3 hours. T1 is nothing for the Ram. And that time of Shyam's candle is 4 hours. T2 is 4 hours, that is with the Shyam. They both lit their candle at 11 p.m. means burned together. So same length burned together. Then at what time length of Ram's candle would be half? Half is nothing but 1 by 2 of that of Shyam. So 2 goes with Shyam and 1 goes with Ram. What is the required time? That is T1 into T2 into gap of these fraction is nothing but 1 upon 1 goes with 3, 2 goes with 4. The bigger one is the 8 minus 3. This becomes 12 by 5, which in terms 2 by 5. This becomes a fraction. So we can say 2 is nothing but 2 hours. And what is the meaning of 2 by 5? The answer is in hours. So we can say 2 by 5 multiplied by 60, that is 12. 2 are 24. So 2 hours 24 minutes. We burn candle 11 p.m. and this is 2 hours 24 minutes after 11 is nothing but 124 and this was p.m. So this becomes a.m. So at 124 we will get our required condition. I hope this one is clear. But the shortcut T1 into T2 into gap of these value upon according to condition, denominator goes with of, only applicable when we have same length and of different thickness and we burn together. If we have anything different from these three conditions, we'll make equation and solve the question. I hope this one is clear to you. Even if you have any doubt, feel free to ping me. Thank you and